Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to talk about the coordination of a Revit model to a topographic survey model. The topographic model is being developed by civil engineer using the survey data being collected by the surveyor. And we use that topographic model to get the real coordinates on this model, Revit model that we are working on it. This is the project this point, and here you see that the shear size 0, 0, and the angle to the north is also 0. So we check the orientation. Currently it's project north, and it means that if we click on the true north, it should be changed because it matches the true north orientation. So here it doesn't change, meaning that it is not coordinated. We also check the south elevation, and here the ground floor, which is on the 0, 0 elevation. So this means that this model is not coordinated and we need to coordinate it. So to do that, we click on the close here and also here and save it to be on the upgraded 2024 version. So we open the topographic model, and here you see that the orientation, and this means that we need to link the Revit model to be rotated on this orientation. To do so, we click on the link Revit and link that model to be upgraded on the current version. So here it is the survey base point, and here we need to rotate the Revit model to be on the right orientation. So we click on it and then click on rotate, and then center of rotation is to be placed on the project base point here. So we go and find using the tab key. So currently it's endpoint, endpoint again, and now it is the project base point. If you see on the left corner downside. So this is the rotation point, and we click on one of the points in this grid line and then rotate it to be on this magneto line here. So you click on OK, and then it is rotated. So this is oriented correctly. And now we go and check the elevation, whether it is on the right elevation or not. So here we click on the structural pad and the section, and you see here that the building is below the ground surface. So we click on it and then we move it. So here the constraint is activated automatically. We click on one of the points on the concrete surface and then move it to be on the ground surface here. So this is basically the correct elevation of the project, and you see here that the elevation is different compared to the previous file. So now it is on the correct elevation and the correct location here. We can also check on the 3D view of the topography and see that the building is correctly located on the location. So to share the coordinates of this to the model, we click on the building model, and then you see here that the shared side is not shared. So to share it, we click on here and then click on the publish the current shared coordinate system to the model. So this will modify all name positions of the linked model. That's what we want. we can change the building if there are other buildings here. So currently have only building A. We click on OK and reconcile it. So the process is completed. We need to save it. So click on the save. And now here it says that you have changed the current position of the uncoordinated model. So yes, that's what we want. And we click on save here. And now the coordinate are basically shared with the model. So we wait so that the process is being completed. Because the previous file was in 2022 version, some of the elements might be changed or removed, deleted during the upgrading process. It's normal. And one thing to mention is that the topographic model and the model to be coordinated must be on the same version. Whatever version it is 2024, 5, or 2020, or whatever. So it takes some time. Now open the file, the uncoordinated file, and hope it is coordinated to the real world model. So we check the tower foundation or the ground floor and see if it is changed. So you see here that now the true north is different from the project north, and this means that the file is coordinated with the topography. We can also check the elevation if in the south view, and here we see that the ground floor elevation is the same as previous. It is 0 feet and 0 inches, so it is not changed. To see the changes, we click on this ground floor elevation or level grid, and then click on the edit type. You see that the elevation base is currently project base point. That's why we do not see the changes. To see the changes, we click on this and choose the survey point and click on apply and OK. And now you see the changes on the elevation here. We click on the top of foundation again, and now we have the real elevation and coordinates. So this model is coordinated and connected with the topography, and the coordinates are shared. On the annotate tab, we can choose the spot coordinate or spot elevation to get those coordinates. For example, if we click on the spot coordinate, we can identify and get the coordinates of these corner of the building to be here, and we can get the coordinates of any point. And hope you understand how we coordinate the topographic model to the Revit model we were working, and then use those real world coordinates to get the coordinates of the points of the elements in the model. That's all for today, and I hope to see you again. Thank you for watching.